So we're just going to show you how we set up this little hauler. So different to our larger boat, this little hauler is 12 volt, and this one's mounted more towards the front of the boat. Generally, most people would have mounted it up here. For various reasons, we decided to mount ours down on the deck. So this is the weighted line that sits into here, and then it has these plastic sheaves. So we just want to get the rope down into that sheave. On this one, it used to have an adjustable sheave on the front, but we've just found it quite difficult to use, so we're actually changing away from that option at the moment. You could mount a second plastic sheave on the front here, so that you'd actually push that down under there as well. That's probably what we'll do on this one eventually. Yeah, so that's it, and then that'll pull you down the line. So we use this for when we're using the shuttles only. We don't do it when we're flipping, it's too slow. So that's it. It's slightly different, this model, to what the production models are. We've got some better speed controllers on the new ones, so just a bit more robust, so it'll look a little bit different. You'll see a box on the side that's it's a much heavier duty speed controller on our later models. This line out the front of the boat here, ideally when you've got the shuttles alongside, it needs to be down underneath the water like this one is. Otherwise sometimes the baskets can get around the wrong side of it. So if you have a situation where you might, that's one of the reasons we mounted this hauler down low on the deck. But if you were mounting it up on the bow here, then that would mean that as the line came out like it does here, it comes out quite high. And if that's up high and you have a crosswind, as you're going down the line, the baskets can get on the wrong side of that hauling line and get trapped there. So there's a couple of ways to fix that. One is to do what I suggested and put another one of these plastic sheaves that we've got here. You can mount one of those on down low on the side of the boat. You'd obviously want to put some sort of protection on it. The other way that you can do is get a 5-gallon container with concrete in, and using a big carabiner or a snatch block or something, you can just hook it over the rope, over your hauling line, have a short section of line on it so it doesn't run away from you, and then that just drops over the side, and that'll just pull that rope down and keep it down below the surface. And then a rope that's tied back to the boat just so it doesn't get away from you. So there's a couple of options there, but the key thing is most of the time it's not a problem. That line can be up quite high, but if you have a crosswind, then it can cause you problems. Probably about 10% of the time for us, we need to get that line down low. Alright, so that's the little 12 volt hauler.